Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you what is your Facebook email. So if you want to find out what is your email, you're gonna have to simply open Facebook, and after that go to menu, and then you'll have to simply tap on the settings button in the top right corner, and then you'll have to simply go to account center, and then here you'll have to simply scroll down, and under account settings you're gonna have personal details. So tap on that, and then here you can see contact info. So simply tap on that, and then here you should see your email address. So basically with this email address you are able to log into your account. So if you want, you can simply tap on it and then simply tap on delete if you want to remove this email address from your Facebook account. Or if you want, you can simply go on and tap on add a new contact, and then tap on add email address to add a new email address. So you're gonna have to enter your new email address, select your Facebook account, and tap next, and then simply verify the email address, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.